The time is finally here, y'all. Look what just came in the mail. I am so excited, y'all. Like, literally, I've been waiting for like a week for this. Hey, y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Lonely Star, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my new phone, as y'all can tell, and it's completely sealed. I just got this literally like a few minutes ago in the mail. And my package just kept getting delayed and delayed because it snowed here in Maryland. So like it's just really bad. I got the iPhone 15 and the phone that I have now is the iPhone 12 mini. So, and I actually had it for like a few years, probably like 2021. So it's definitely a big upgrade for me. Let's get ready to unbox this, y'all. I won't be around while you chase. You won't hear me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey, told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. They're like guns with the aching, yeah. Getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing. Had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You play me. Get with me, stop it.
Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm gonna tell myself to keep playing this. Wake up back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by 1 time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long say call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold and rain. I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Here, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. Keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
We hit the club, niggas cups full of jealousy. We in the bag and we bugging the DI. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows I means it all. She gets down just like means it all. From the blood, she's not on the shots. Shawty said she want sauce till he know. She wasn't on a roll, she want on a runner.
So here are my final thoughts. So yeah, I love it so much. It's the perfect size for my hand. Yeah, I'm just waiting for everything to adjust now. Like my apps, they're still downloading. My photos are not backed up. It only goes up to like October the 3rd, and it's January now. But that's okay because I still have all my photos on my iPhone, like on this phone. So that's totally fine. And y'all, another thing, you know the music app Music that I use on my iPhone 12 is not on this app. It's not on this phone because Music is not on the App Store no more. So I can't get it now, but I'm gonna have to wait until they, wait a minute. It's right here. Oh Jesus. Y'all, it's right here. But I'm scared because I have to re-download it. Oh Lordy. Let's see. Aw. It can't do it. It's unable to install. I'm gonna keep it just in case they come back on the App Store. But I guess I'm gonna just have to get them 3 months of Spotify Premium. I'm not paying for music, y'all. I don't care. I'm not paying for music if I have music. So I really hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if y'all did, give this video a big thumbs up. Stay tuned for the what's on my iPhone detailed, because I am gonna customize it and switch it up a bit. You know, new lock screens, widgets, and everything. So stay tuned for that video, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Yeah.